Merry Christmas to everybody. This is Davey Scorsese here. I know the holidays can be rough, especially for those with mental illnesses, or even if you're just alone. You may have lost a loved one recently, gotten your heart broken, just have nobody to talk to. You can talk to me, because guess what? I'm going to make some butterbeer from the Harry Potter universe for a nice holiday drink today, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So if you can find the stuff to make it, hey, at least have a drink on me. You can add some like vodka or rum or whatever you want to it. This is a non-alcoholic mix, you know, for the kids, but it's still delicious, still good. And here's what you do. You start off, I have this cup here. I got this from the Harry Potter world at Universal Orlando, the Three Broomsticks restaurant. I got this cup here. I don't know if you can read that, but it says the Wizarding World of Harry Potter there. And you can use coffee, you can use cream soda, you can use like a mix of what I have here. It's Dr. Pepper with cream soda. We're going to put that right here in this cup. It's going to be good. It's a good base. But if you want something warm, you can use coffee. You can put all this shit in a blender, have it frozen, which is probably delicious. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm sure it's great that way. You're going to pour it in the cup pretty much to the top. You gotta leave a little bit of room for the good stuff. Delicious. But that's just the Dr. Pepper. Let's make it all wizardy and all that. We're gonna add the Harry Potter coffee creamer by Coffee Mate. I found it at Walmart. It's kind of hard to find right now because technically it's not going to be nationwide until like January, so here soon. But I have it in my hands right now. We're going to pour that shit in like so. Until you start to see it get all white and milky. Starts to bubble up there. Delicious. Stir. There you go. Until it gets nice and foamy at the top. Now that is buttery. Gonna add a little bit of this butterscotch topping here. Just pour it right in. Again, we're going to stir that in. Again, lick it off the residue off the spoon, all sensual and sexual-like, if you will. And then, of course, no drink is complete without whipped topping on top. Spray that shit on, make it look good. Oh yeah, look at that. And what else would you add except more butterscotch topping? And technically, the recipe calls for toffee shavings. I couldn't find that, so I got these Betty Crocker Gold Shimmer Sugar Sprinkles. Say that 3 times fast, holy shit. And I'm going to sprinkle that right on here. Give it a nice crunch at the top. And I know I should be talking like this since I'm discussing Harry Potter, but I ain't going to talk like that because I'm an American. No, really, I love Harry Potter. I love butterbeer. I love Christmas. I didn't used to love Christmas, but I hated my life back then. And I love you. Here's to you this Christmas. And happy holidays to you all.